Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share an inspirational story of India's first Prime Minister, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Prayagraj. His father Motilal Nehru was successful lawyer and his mother was Swarup Rani Nehru. Nehru grew up in a well-educated family and received much of his early education at home. He loved reading books and learning about science, history, and nature. As a teenager, he went to England to study. He attended Harrow School and later studied at University of Cambridge. After training in law, he returned to India. After returning home, Nehru became involved in India's struggle for independence. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, he joined the movement against British rule. He traveled across India, met people from different backgrounds, and worked to unite them. During the freedom struggle, he was imprisoned several times by the British authorities. On 15th August 1947, India became independent after the historic Indian independence. At midnight, Nehru delivered his first famous Trust with Destiny speech and became independent India's first Prime Minister. As a Prime Minister, Nehru focused on building schools, colleges, and scientific institutions, strengthening democracy, encouraging industrial and economic development, promoting peace and cooperation with other nations. Because of his love for children, he became known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Nehru believed that children were the future of the nation. He often spent time with them and encouraged them to study, dream, and work hard. Nehru served as Prime Minister until his death on 27th May 1964 in New Delhi. Millions of people mourned his passing. Jawaharlal Nehru is remembered as a key leader of India's freedom struggle and the architect of many of modern India's institutions. His vision of education, science, and democracy continues to influence the country. So, the moral of the story is education, hard work, and service to others can leave a lasting impact on the world. So, at last, I want to share one quote of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, that is, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." Thank you so much.